In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Adobe InDesign. First, open Adobe InDesign and select the image you want to crop. Once the image is selected, edges and corners will appear around it. To crop, simply click and drag any of the edges or corners until the image is cropped to your desired size. If you want to adjust the image inside the cropped frame, click and drag from the center to reposition it. To crop the image evenly from all sides while maintaining the center, hold down the Shift key and drag any corner. This will scale and crop the image equally from every side. If you want to crop an image into a specific shape, go to the Shapes section on the left side of the screen. Right-click on the Shape tool to select a shape like a rectangle or ellipse. Draw the shape on your page, then right-click on your image and select Copy. After that, right-click on the shape and select Paste Into. This will place the image inside the shape rather than on top of it. And that's how you can crop an image in Adobe InDesign.